This is an unboxing video of something I've been looking forward to acquire for a long time. I've had a similar one before in the past. I shared with a roommate, but they owned it. I didn't own it. So when I moved out of that place, I haven't had one of these in years. And I've used other means, of course. I'm not going to not filter my water, but this is a nice stainless steel water filter. I had adapted this system of using just the saving money by just getting the filter elements themselves and then installing them just in a 5-gallon plastic bucket. But a friend reminded me that he just made a great statement that stuck with me, because I'm pretty anti-plastic and I try to avoid it wherever I can. But I had cut that corner and I was using the filters inside of a plastic bucket, and he saw that and he said, man, just get the real stainless steel filter because or system, because you know, this is going to be in the sun. And he said that vinyl is going to be the next asbestos. And of all people, there's no way I can justify having anything of any kind of luxury in my life, which I don't have much, but I can't justify having anything if I don't have a stainless steel water filter system. So I'm not shouting out any brand names. If you shop around, you'll kind of know what's out there, but I'm grateful to have this now. It's really been way too long, and now I get to feel that much better. And I'm getting closer to eliminating any points where there's plastic water storage, but that's still a work in progress. But at least I got this now.